Hello everyone, Daria here and welcome to another Real Russian Club video. Every day I receive questions like, can you recommend some resources for learning Russian? Where can I expand my vocabulary? So I've decided to make a series of videos about different websites, tools, apps, and stuff like that. So today I will show 6 websites to you. Some of them you probably already know. And we begin with Learn Russian Step by Step. This is a free online Russian grammar and vocabulary course for beginners. Here you can find short audio lessons that will take you through the important points of Russian grammar. Here are some examples of that. You see Russian alphabet, vowels, consonants, and everything you beginners need. So it's Learn Russian Step by Step. The second one is Everyday Russian. Everyday Russian is another free resource. Here you can find more than 300 Russian language lessons and more than 10 types of activities. It will help to improve your reading, listening, writing skills, and expand your vocabulary, of course. The third one is Learn Russian Daily. This is a tool for improving your vocabulary. Russian word of the day, for example. So let's have a look. Стыдно, shameful. Yeah, с праздником, congratulations. So here you can go deeper and see examples, listen to the pronunciation, and some useful information about that word or phrase. Also, the great part is that here you can find related words and phrases. So, for example, if you are interested in the word праздник, holiday, you will be also interested in New Year, fireworks, birthday, presents, and so on. So here it's an amazing tool for learning new words and phrases. Another amazing website is Очень по-русски, meaning very much Russian. This is a podcast actually, and you probably already know it from iTunes. It's for intermediate and advanced learners, and this podcast teaches you Russian slang. It's recorded by a native Russian speaker and, what's important, at a normal conversational speed. So it's not like my slow Russian stuff. Here you can listen to the Russian language as it is. And here are just a few of examples. 100 лет в обед, and the episode explains this phrase and how to use it. Ежу понятно, which means that it's obvious that even a hedgehog can understand. So lots and lots of interesting materials if you want to speak like a native. The next one is Russian Pen Pal. It's a nice alternative to Interpals because Interpals is getting crazy. So if you're interested in finding Russian friends to talk to, you can go here, russianpenpal.com. So how it works, you can find on the main page, create an account, fill up your profile, start making friends. It's that easy. So yeah, here you can find some Russian people to talk to. And the last one is italki, one of my favorites. I told about it many times, I guess, and I just can't recommend it enough. So italki.com is a website where you can find a teacher, a professional teacher at any language. So for example, for Russian, we see 358 teachers. Even if you're learning by yourself, it's always a good idea to have at least a couple of lessons with a professional teacher. For example, Kristina, professional teacher. Let's check her profile out. Here you'll see the introduction of the teacher, prices, the amount of lessons, rating, which is very important. So even a trial lesson for $1. It's just incredible. So italki gives you this opportunity, and it's absolutely safe. So even if you don't like something, don't worry, you'll be satisfied. So yeah, here you can read the reviews of other students, and it's just amazing. I used to use italki as a teacher myself, but unfortunately now I don't have that much time to teach online. So you can find one of my colleagues here at italki.com. So that was it for today. I hope these resources will be useful to you. All the links and descriptions you will find below this video, and be sure to go and check out these websites because they are amazing. And next time I'll bring some more useful resources to you. That was it for today. Bye bye.